So we have overturned one of the fish. It's looking beautiful. Pour this sauce into a bowl. Just comes out like that. It's really yummy to eat. People from the coastal area of Mangalore love eating fish fry. So today I'll be showing you how to make Mangalorean fish fry. But this fish fry recipe is going to be my recipe, and you can see that there is a little bit of difference in it. Frying our fish, we have two pomfrets over here. We have cut it with slits for frying, and we have cleaned the interiors. We have 4 teaspoons of red chili powder or paprika. We have 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania powder, and we have garam masala powder. We have salt, we have mango seed powder or amchur, and we have our turmeric powder, and we have apple cider vinegar over here. So we will put around 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into this. If you don't have this, if you don't have vinegar, you can even use lemon water. So we'll add a little bit of water into this, very little, less, like very little. So you see the consistency of your paste, and accordingly you can just put the water. So your paste is ready. Now you can smear it over your fish. So smear it well, and you can even marinate it after smearing it all over, and keep it in the fridge for around half an hour, and then remove it, and then you can start frying it. So it will taste very good. Nonetheless, you can even start frying it immediately. We'll put some masala into the fish legs, into the pockets, and now it has got marinated also for around 5 minutes. I have kept it. So I'll just put around 2 tablespoons of oil into my pan. I'll cover this up and let it fry. Each side I'll fry it for around 10 minutes. So as and when it's frying, I'll just check if it's fried properly, and I'll check it. If it's fried properly, then I'll turn it the other side. So we have overturned one of the fish, and it has really fried well on one side. We'll turn the other one also. So very gently take 2 spoons in your hand, and very gently, without splashing any oil, you have to turn it like this. See, look at this. It's looking beautiful. So we'll cover it again. So when you cover and cook, what happens is it cooks faster. So that is why, and moreover, when we cover and cook, all the aroma is trapped inside your pan. So the fish will really smell very good, very smoky and wonderful if you cover it and fry it. So let it fry for another 10 minutes, and we will come back. Now let's take a look at our fish. Look at this. It has fried really well. Gently we should do this. Otherwise the fish might break. So it's very delicate. So we should do this entire thing very gently. Take a look. Our fish is looking amazing. Now we can remove it. And just very little oil. So this much oil I have removed, and I'll keep it aside. So we have this much oil in the pan. So the the masalas which we had made, the spices which we had mixed to smear on the fish, some of it was left over. So I'll put it on the pan like this, and I'll make a dipping sauce for the fish. So anybody who likes to eat a little bit of spicier can enjoy this taste of the spices, these mixed spices. So a little bit of water I'll add, and let it become a little bit more thicker, and this goes very well along with the fish, like a sauce or a dip. So this you can do if you feel like. So anybody who likes to eat spicy fish can always use this as a dip. Pour this sauce into a bowl. Our fish which is ready. So we'll decorate it with some wedges of lemon and some rings of onions like this. This is really amazing to eat. It tastes really good. You can eat it with rice, and this is an ideal dish for winters as well as monsoon, and you really feel very this is a comforting kind of a dish which reminds you of home. Like this, you can smear some of the these masalas on top of this like that, and then see, look at the fish. It has turned out to be really delicate. It's looking really delicate. Just comes out like that. See, so it is really yummy to eat. Happy eating!
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.